Hey, what do you guys want your careers to be?
I want to be a carpenter. I want to be a welder.
I don't know what I want to do.
Well, what about manufacturing?
What's so cool about manufacturing?
I do enjoy this work environment. I feel like having worked hard in everything that I try to do, I've been given a lot of opportunities to learn other jobs that I didn't start out here with, so I've been given a lot of opportunities for that.
favorite part of being an engineer is using the skills I've learned and seeing the final product come to fruition.
My motivation to start working in manufacturing was I wanted to find a job locally that didn't require me to travel.
Maybe I will try manufacturing.